Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I was just checking my feed there for a moment. All good. What a day. What a fantastic day. We're green today because the markets are green and I've got some audio coming from somewhere. Just bear with me. That's unusual. Where's that coming from? Let me just find where this audio is coming from. I'll keep on talking, see if I can find it. It's not there. Hey, it's a live show, right? Where is this coming from? We've got a stream coming from somewhere. This is bizarre. I've got a feed from somewhere. It's very peculiar. Okay. Just bear with me. I've got a feed from somewhere. How has this happened? Very peculiar. We've got a window open somewhere that's sending me a feed. How has this happened? Okay. Open up. Hood. Can't be there. I've got 14 screens in case you've ever wondered here in my studio. And all I can do at the moment is mute a handful of screens. Hello? Has that fixed it? I thought I'd fixed it then. The most bizarre thing has happened. We're still trying to fix this. We've got an audio feed coming from somewhere. And I've no idea where. That's all me. Oh, hang on. Is it? No, it's. It can't be Rumble. I thought it was Rumble for a moment, but it's not. Oh, I found it. Okay, we found it. We fixed it. We're good. It was Livestreamer Cafe was sending me an audio feed. Whatever. All resolved and sorted. Shall we carry on with the show? That was a bit of a magical moment, right? Hi all, Keaton S, Mika Flemons, how are you? Do you want to come back in 5 minutes? Probably a good idea. Anyway. Very strange situation there. But we're all good. Right. Refocus, rebalance, give everybody the ticker. We've got a set procedure. There you go. Blimey. Anyway, we're all good. And relax, breathe. What a good afternoon. It's live TV, isn't it? Live TV, but we're all good. I had Livestreamer Cafe. I've got 14 screens, so you know, and I'm in here on my own, running everything. So there you go. Sometimes you get a little bit of excitement, action in the show. Right, let's get ready. So what are we looking at this afternoon? We've got all sorts. So let's get straight into it and see where we are. Here's up my overall position, all-time high today. We are green because it's Robinhood this afternoon. That's why we're showing green this afternoon. And it's Robinhood earnings tonight as well. Now then, let's go through. The S&P is near an all-time high for me. We've got back on the screen above my head, look, 1 million views in 82 days. We lost a week because my computer breaking, so now I'm trying madly to make it up. We were down to 79, so we lost 3 days. Anyway, we're trying to make it up. What do you think about Hillian stock? Honestly, Sherry, I'm not in that stock. I could review it for you if you remember. I could check it out, but I'm not actually in that stock, so I can't give you an opinion on it as I don't have it. But We might have members here who do, and you can talk to them on Discord. We have 24/7 access to our Discord. Here is Discord if you want to use that. Plus, you can message me on Twitter. And when I'm off air, I reply to all my members' questions about every stock they're interested in. So there's a few options there for you. Let me give you my Twitter as well, so you can be in touch with me there as well. All right, I've given you everything you need there, Cherry. Okay, let's carry on. Look at gold. It's down slightly today. Not for me just yet buying any more. Mullen, I quadrupled my position today. I bought Mullen today at 140. So I've quadrupled my position today on Mullen. What do you think of that, folks? Virgin Galactic today is up. My long-term position, I'm up 3.77, looking good. Virgin Orbit Q delisting. Rivian is up today, 2.34. I sold it at the top at 14.50. You'll be very pleased about that. Very, very happy that I did that. And we're going to buy it as it goes down. The earnings was phenomenal from Rivian. It was great. They beat earnings comfortably. It's a very good beat, actually. And they're still losing money, but they are improving. They are improving. Estimated to be losing 159 a share. And in fact, it was 125. It's a good result for Rivian. So it popped up. I sold it. It continued to go. I didn't catch it at the top, but I made a profit. And I'll buy it when it goes back down again. And I'll share with you what I did here in my account. You can see there I had 14.22 is when I sold it. 59 shares at 14.22. Bought at 13. So there you can see the position there. We're now at 14.21. So this is where this is below now where I sold it. So very, very happy with that trade. Tesla today has given up a bit, but it's coming back up again now. I expect to see it rally into the close. I think it's oversold now. I think we've got a new business with Tesla, a new price target of 250 short term, mid to short term, because of the lithium mining they are now taking on as well. Very, very good indeed. Let's bring all the comments on the screen. Lucid, I wouldn't bother with it. It's just a complete dead loss. It's going to go private. Everyone knows it. Apple, Amazon soaring away today. You're benefiting on Amazon with Rivian. You're also benefiting Amazon with the S&P 500. They're all obviously all part of the same thing. If you've got the S&P, you've got Amazon. So there you go. And Amazon is Rivian too. They have a big stake in Rivian. Up 9% now, $545. Very nice indeed. McDonald's went down. And I picked up a little bit. So I was very happy about that. Very nice indeed. Coca-Cola sold off. Why? Because source of funds. Because money was going into Tesla this morning. And now it's come back out again. J&J looking good today. Up. Google having a very nice day. Google's one of those great companies you want to own. I have it on my main account. 1.53 and my Roth 0.87. It's not really enough, but I haven't got enough of it yet. Microsoft doing well. I've got a bigger position there on my main account, really. 29% up. Good. Next Era Energy. Very nice indeed. The story of the day, Enphase Energy, of course. Solar. Absolutely brilliant. Let's read all these comments. Craig, good afternoon all. Hassan L. Never heard back from Cherry to say where you're from. Where are you from in the world? We'd love to welcome you in. Top Rack is from Turkey. Google entering foldable market, rivaling to Samsung shares. Pump, pump, pump. Hey, Hassan, says Craig. Enphase looking good. Bitcoin today disappointing. We know that Bitcoin is going to come back down again. Tilray Brands up today. Robinhood, here it is. Okay, now then. Robinhood reports in an hour. An hour from now, it'll be out, and then we got the earnings call afterwards. I want to welcome our guests on Rumble this afternoon. We are at 76 followers now. Just 24 to go. We're trying to get to 100 in 2 weeks. There is my Rumble. If you'd like to visit me, there's things on Rumble I can do that I can't do on YouTube. Go and check it out. Okay, this is Rumble right now. This is what it looks like. There we go. And we're having a competition today. We've got 8 watching with 2 likes. And on YouTube, we are running at 25 watching with 13 likes. There you go. A little bit of excitement going on there. All right, Robinhood now then. It's overweighted in my Roth IRA. I bought it this morning. I doubled and then I think I tripled my position this morning. I've now got 185 shares of Robinhood. So we've got about 15 minutes to go of the magic zone, if you like. I've brought a 8% loss. I think it was 8%, 5% loss down to 0.25%. That's the power of dollar cost averaging. And I bought it at the bottom and it's been rising up throughout the day. So we are very close now to making money. So the plan is if we can just get up another 1 or 2%, I'm going to sell half of the half, a quarter, in other words, of the last purchase that I made to put some money back in the bank and have it available for buying back on the drop. Now then, it's making money for the first time. Now, I don't care how high it goes. I still want to take some money off because we will get some action on the bell. We will get some action as the earnings comes out. Now, you might say, well, what if it goes up? They could smash earnings. Yes, but then you get the expectations and the profit taking, and it still goes back down. So what you want to do is, for me anyway, I've made money on it now. I'm in the green for the first time on Robinhood with a very nice position, the biggest position I've ever had, with $1,600. So we're up now 24 cents. All right, we're just here we go, $2. So what I want to do now is sell 185. So what, 90 odd, say 50 shares. That way I can buy it back with the profit. I can end up with some reasonable. I've still got some skin in the game if it goes up, but I've also got some profits to buy it lower. I think that's a sensible thing to do because it does trade with emotion. People do get very gun-ho with this one. So let's get ready to do it. Are you a day trader? I am a day trader, a swing trader, but mainly a long-term investor. Sherry, I've been here for 10 hours a day, 1.5 years. In fact, 2 years next month, every single day. I'm actually the world piano man, as voted by Elton John. This is my music channel. I've got videos of me here with Elton John's jacket on, doing Lion King, and you can see all these big videos here. Look. Phantom of the Opera, I performed as the Phantom and so on. But by daytime, I like to trade. And I'm a long-term investor, but I do take profits along the way because it's a responsible thing to do because I'm live full 10 hours a day. So I'm here all the time. So I like to provide, an entertaining show, but this is my real money, my real trades, all of my money, everything here. So I'm fully expecting Robinhood to go down. I'm a long-term investor, but I still want to make money along the journey. And I can do it tax-free using my Roth IRA. So there's no risk, right? There's no costs involved. There's no risk. It's all profit all the way. Okay, we'll come back to Robinhood in a second then. IonQ reports tomorrow. So we want to take profits from the others, from Robinhood tonight and get ready for a crash tomorrow at IonQ. We're up 17%. I've only got a small position. I want to add to this. Quantum computers. This is tomorrow, and we are covering it on our show. If you look, there is the Robinhood earnings. If you want to join us for that tonight, it's in just an hour or so from now. We'll be there live. The official Robinhood earnings. That's why the studio is set out green. You can be the first person to comment on the video there. And also tomorrow we are reporting IonQ. There's tomorrow's show as well if you want to do that. On the homepage of the channel is all the upcoming events, all like a TV guide, all in order, all in your time zone. Very, very easy for you to navigate that. Okay, let's go back to Robinhood. It's showing a bit of resistance here. So I do expect it. I do expect it to go down. And I don't mind. I have still got some money and I can sell anything I want to sell after hours anyway, because everything's up for me anyway. But I don't want to buy anymore. What I do want to do is make profit from what I've already got and lower my average in the process. So my average now is 905. What I want to do is take a bit of profit from it and buy it back at 850, because that's what's going to happen. What platform do you recommend for beginners? Well, Cherry, I use Robinhood, and if I give you my referral and you set it up, you get free stocks, and I get free stocks, and I share with you what I get live on the show. Does that sound good? Here we go, Sherry. Look. And then I will support you every day. I will trade on it. You see what I'm doing. I tell you all the tips and tricks, all the things I'm doing. There you go. Invite a friend and we both get free stocks between $5 and $200. So I'm going to share the link for you now. Copy in the chat. If you set this up, it's free and I will support you all the way and you get free stocks for doing it, and so do I. There you go. I've just given you the link in the chat. I'll give it you twice. This only works for those in the United States. I'm from Dallas, Texas, so welcome to the show. There you go. If you want any support, if you become a member, I can talk you through it and everything live on the show. As a non-member, that's really all I can do right now. But if you set that up, you have to link it to your bank because that's how it works. There you go. All right, sounds good, but I am still at work though. No problem at all. Do it afterwards, and tomorrow morning you can come back and tell me what you got, and I will make a video on it, and I'll tell you what shares I got as well. Okay, very, very exciting. And there's a way to trade tax-free. You also get match. So every penny you put in the Roth IRA, they give you a 1% match as if you were employed by an employer. It's phenomenal. And then you can trade in that stock, in that account for free. Not only is it free, but you can have your own wallet for your crypto, but you can also trade tax-free, even in short-term gains. So it's a win-win. I absolutely love it. I've used all the platforms and I love Robinhood. You have to do your own research elsewhere. Robinhood doesn't give you the greatest charts and the greatest research. That's what we're for. That's why we're here. But I'm not here to promote or sell anything. What I'm here to do is grow my own money, but to grow the most honest, real channel in YouTube channel in the world. That's my aim. Anyway, let's continue with what we're talking about right now. We've got 40 minutes to go. We're trying to get some money out of Robinhood. Afternoon, Ed Nevius. Now, we've got our big giveaway on Friday. We're giving away $125 in cash, and we're giving away 15 hours of one-on-one training. It's our best giveaway ever. I cannot believe how good this is. We've now got 46 people who've taken part. That's all. Good chance to win. You only need one ticket. There is the link to the best giveaway. martynlucas.com/giveaway. Here's the website. There it is. And I don't know, I'm pointing. My hand's off screen. You can't even see my hand, can you? There you go. Scroll down below and you can get tickets. And the more tickets you get, the more chance you got. You can get a ticket just by following me on Twitter. You can get a ticket just by retweeting a post. I mean, it's that easy. And the more things you do, but remember, you can win with one ticket. That's all it takes. But the more you do, the more chances you've got to win. Completely free. I'll never contact you. I will never sell you anything. Unless you want to buy one of my mugs. Other than that, you'll never hear from me. I'm here to talk to you. I'm here to support you. I'm not here to message you or sell you anything. All right, that's not what I want to do. Price, says ETORO. Hi, Craig. Eric, Sherry, I'm at work also. I'm listening to the show on Rumble. It's more like a podcast. Indeed, it is. Indeed, it is. Now then, guys, did you see the videos I've just put out? I want to share with you some videos I've just put out. But what I've done in the last few minutes is, first of all, you know, we've now upgraded our sound system. So we've got the compression and the noise noise filter. I've also, and I want your thoughts on this, I added the text on the screen. Do you like it? I want your thoughts on it. Go and have a quick look at one of these. These videos came out just a few moments ago. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me what you think of this. Can you see it? Look. I added this animation text. What do you think of this? Do you like this? Some people say they like it. Some don't. I'd like your thoughts on it. Let me know what you think. Anyway, 40 minutes to go. We're trying to make some... Look, we're breaking records again today. Consistently making profits. Excuse me. Up today again. Up on the week. Up on the month. It's all about making consistent profits, okay? Up on the 3 months. Up on the year to date. Look at that now. We're nearly at an all-time high now. In fact, we are at an all-time high. We've smashed it. We've gone through 40,000. The Roth IRA, Virgin Galactic is exactly where we need it. It's brewing up for its next move. I think it's going to go down again, which is where I'll buy it again. There's my Roth IRA, $15 from its all-time high. It'll be there in a few minutes. And there we go, 54. This is an all-time high. We've never been this high before. This is a record. Now, there's a good reason for that. Several stocks are a part of that story. Let's go through it right now. We've got 40 minutes to go before we go over to Robinhood's earnings. Here we go. We're in profit again. So I'm going to the Roth IRA and I'm going to take some money off the table. Because I expect to drop, because it's just the way it trades. It's just the way people treat this stock. They dump it, they short it, you name it. They do all sorts to it. And I understand that, so I want to benefit from that. So going over to my phone right now to show you. So I'm going to sell. And here we go. So I'm going to set I've got 185 shares. I want to sell 50, I think. 50, something like that. So let's go to a limit order. We'll go to a limit order. This is Robinhood, by the way, Cherry. A limit price. So we are now, let's say we're at 905. 905. We'll call it 905. It will go to the best price anyway. 905. There we go. And continue. We'll do it in the opening hours, not the closing hours, because we don't want the volatility and the low volume. Market hours. Okay, we'll do it now. Up to 3 o'clock today. And number of shares. I think I want to sell 50. I want to sell 50. That'll give me 452. Add that to the 100 I've already got. That'll give me 550, 560, 570. It'll give me about $600 because it will go through it more than this. And that is more than I need to buy the dip to bring the average down to the percentage I want it. So I don't want to sell any more, but I would like to take some off the profit. Take some off the table. My average cost is 905 now, so I'm basically selling it for a wash. But what I'm doing is I'm taking some money off the table because I've lowered my overall price because I've made money from it. Because today I bought 80 shares at 881. So all I've done is got my money back, but lowered my average. So my average is now 905. So we can use this money to buy back lower. Anyway, we shall wait. We're going to keep it there on that screen for a second. 50 shares at 905. It's where it is right now. And review it. And I'm ready to swipe it up. I want it to just go up to maybe 910. I don't know if I can get that, but, you know, it's possible. We'll make a little bit of money. And then we've got the money on hand. Only because I think it's going to trade down. Okay, watching it all day. Otherwise, it would have gone up more than it has now. Anyway, I want the prize. I think it's cool. Thanks, Eric. What did Eric say? Yes. Oh, do you want the Rumble link? Here's the Rumble link. We are at 76 followers now. We've got Just a handful left to go to get to 100 in the first 2 weeks. There's Rumble right now. There you go. Okay. I think we got our best audio. 77. 77. Fantastic. 77 on Rumble now. Brilliant. Really, really good. Let me just go in. I can show you. Look, there you go. 77. All right. Brilliant. 10 watching. How many likes have we got? 5. Brilliant. Okay. Let's get ready to rock and roll. 9:06 now. Now we're making money on Robinhood. Now we're making money. I've got my ready to swipe up. There it is. 50 shares. All I got to do is swipe up when I feel it's right. Okay. All I want to do is make some profit. It doesn't matter how much. All I want to do is get my money out. I've lowered my average and I've taken some money back off the table. That's all I've done. I haven't made a massive amounts of money. That will come later because what will happen now is I've got my average down. I think my average was like 940 this morning. It's now 905. Get some money off the table. Get $700-800 in my hand. And then when it goes down on earnings, boom, I can buy that back. If it doesn't go down on earnings and it carries on going up, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not about what you could have had. It's what you have got. I don't care about what I miss out. I care about what I actually do. Good job, Martin. Joel, how are you, mate? I want to learn how to do trading, but afraid to start. What do you recommend me to do first? Sherry, I go live every day to help people like you. I started 2 years ago, next month, with $5,000 and I knew nothing about trading. I've lost it all, made it all, margin called, in, out, left and right. I spend my life studying this, not to sell you anything, promote anything. I want to be known for the guy who built the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. I'm surrounded by the best chart readers, the best technical guys, big investors, small investors, you name it. We're all here to help people. So you just watch, learn, talk to the family, talk on Discord. I strongly recommend you become a member, not because it makes me rich, you giving me $2 a month. It doesn't. The live views, the live shows are supported by the members. I make no money from live views, from live shows. I make the money from making videos. Live streams with this amount of people make me no money. I make about $2 a show. That's it. Okay? The members allows me to support you. We have members-only events. You can have access to Discord. I can answer all your questions, make videos for you, and I do it for all my members. Giveaways, cash prizes, and so on. I give back 20 times what I get from you as a member. And we've got memberships from $2 all the way up to $500. We've got nobody at the $500 one, by the way, but we have 3 at the $100 level, which is the sponsorship level. All right. Member for 4 months. Great to be part of this family. Thank you very much, Jojo S. I made a video the other day with your information. Jojo S, did you see it? I credited you in the video. Okay, here we go. We're making money now with Robinhood. We are up. It doesn't matter how much we are up by, we are up. And that's all that matters because now we can take profits off the table. And all I've done is lower my average so I'm not losing any money. And I've got the money on hand. Now, if we can just get, you know, a couple of percent here, if we can. We need to do it. We need to do it in the next few minutes because once the bell goes, all hell breaks loose. We want to do it now. I've got a quick celebration from Jojo, who's been a member now for 4 months. His badge has turned green. Let's celebrate with Jojo. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate you very much. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Cheers for your membership. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate you a lot. Thank you very much. All right. Excellent stuff. 4 months. Thank you. I hope you've taken advantage of all your membership benefits. All right. Okay. Now then, it's 9:06. It's very slow here. What's the volume? I need to look at the volume. It's not moving very much. There's not a lot of action. Next Starbucks on me. Ah, thank you so much indeed for that. What a wonderful super chat. Thank you so much indeed. I can't thank you enough. Yay! Thank you very much indeed, Jojo S. Most certainly, this weekend we'll go out. Me and Leah will have a Starbucks on you, sir. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate that a lot. Very much indeed. Thank you very much. Okay, so I am thinking now. The volume is going on Robinhood. I think it will take some profits here. It's taking its time to go up. Let me scroll down and see 963. And then we sold those 50. Then we sold those. Sell. Yeah, we sold those. And then we bought at 886, 850. Okay. So we are in the money, whichever way we do it now. Okay. So we are in the money for real. Always check your history to make sure that you are really in the money. If that's important to you, you might want to post a loss. You might see it going down, so you don't mind taking a loss. That's fine. But for me, I just want to load the average. Okay, here we go. I've got my finger on the button. If I swipe up on my phone at the left-hand side here, swipe up, that'll sell the 50 shares at 905, and we're 907 now. So we're making some profit. Only made $2. It doesn't matter. The money's off the table, and here we go. Now, I might have run out of day trades because I've got pattern day trading turned on. Why do I have that turned on? Because I want to make sure I can still do stock lending, and I want to make sure that I can earn uninvested cash. So if I can't trade this one out, that's fine. I'll let it go. I want to learn Cherry. I've got loads of videos as well here to help you through the process of learning about trading and investing. On the homepage of my YouTube channel, I have a whole series of videos. This playlist here. See this playlist here? Let me give you the playlist. Here you go. Investing on the stock market. This is a very, very, very basic, but it's just the basic terms on investing. There you go. If you've not yet watched it through, each video is 3 minutes long. What's a stock? What's a dividend? What's a growth? What's a portfolio? Is margin a good idea? Very simple stuff, but it's always worth just getting the basic information and going, oh yeah, that's what that means. Oh yeah, and if you understand it, you feel more confident. Everyone should watch my playlist, all right? Everyone should watch it. Yes, you should. You should all watch it. Let me come back out of there. Right, back to Robinhood. I'm concentrating on Cherry and I'm not making any money. What am I doing? What am I doing? Right, here we go, 907. All I want to do is do it. U&O. U&O. Will take your time. Did anyone invest in flux capacity yet? I didn't. I thought Mullen was a strong buy at 10C. Mullen, practice paper trading first. Yes, always. I learn from people on YouTube. Many brokers have paper trading. You can practice using that. You can. I learn from people on YouTube. Yes, yes, yes. Cherry, you can paper trade first for practice. Yeah. But you have grown wiser, Martin. Don't forget. Well, I have grown wiser, but because of you. I've learned as much from you as you may have learned from me. But we learn from each other, and I want to pass that on. Cherry's coming in with 2 years of my knowledge I've learned from you and doing it for 2 years, and she picks up where I am now. If she listens every day and she joins us every day, that's what it's all about. There's Sam, our piano man. How's it going? Lovely to see you. I'm in Lanzarote for a week. Very nice indeed. Where can I paper trade? Ed Nevius. Cherry, I can give you a link for that as well. If you go on the Discord, I'll give you the link later. Once you become a member, I'm sure you're going to become a member, I can send you all the extra links you need in fact, I'll give it you now. Here we go. Here are the other accounts you need if you want paper trading. Cherry, there's my all links button. If you go to that, that'll give the whole list of all the things you need. I've given you the Webull link there. Many brokerages have it. Okay, I've given you the link there, the all links button. Right, here we go. Surprised there was no margin today. Arnold the Palmer. It's his catchphrase. No one understands it. No one gets it. All right, here we go. So, here we go. I'm about to sell 50 shares of Robinhood only to get... Right, we're moving. We've got 5 minutes left. We've got 25 minutes before the bell goes, but we've got 5 minutes before I think we're going to get some action. So it doesn't matter if it goes up at all. Chart readers, Ed, is there any resistance at this point? Are we about to hit any resistance point, guys? Some of my chart readers, 1 week. Yes, we are about to hit a resistance. I can see it myself. So we're going to take some profit from it. I'm going to swipe up. There you go. Order received. Completed. I just sold 50 at 907. Brilliant. There you go. See? Now, I don't care if it goes up. All I've done is trim back my position, and I've got now money in the bank to buy more. All right? You understand why I've done that? Because what I want to see now is it doesn't matter to me if it goes up or goes down. All that matters is I made a profit, and I made a profit tax-free. I've lowered my average from 940 to 905. I think that's where I started today. I've taken some profit. No matter how small, it was a profit. And what I intend to do now is buy it when we get some news, because when the news breaks, there you go. It's already going down. You see it there? Look. Now, if it goes up, it's 9%. It's overweighted. It's overweighted in my portfolio. So if it goes up and it goes up 10%, I'll sell nearly all of it because I'll make 10%. I mean, that's double what I can earn on my uninvested cash for a year. If I can make that in a day, what the hell? You are using a Roth account. Yes, I'm using a Roth account. I always trade on my Roth account. That's why it's tax-free. I can do it over and over again, many times I want, pay no tax on it. Just make money from money all the time. You don't need to earn any money. You make money from money, right? So if it goes up now, brilliant. If it goes up 10%, brilliant. But basically what I've done, I've given myself an insurance policy, because you can now see if it does go back down again, I've got $566 to buy it. Now, you might say, hang on a minute, I thought you had more than that. Yeah, I did. I had about 1,200 this morning. Why? Where's it gone? I bought Mullen. I tripled my position on Mullen this morning. I was down 60%. I'm now down 29%. I'm not going to buy any more of this. It's getting a bit silly otherwise. It will drop by 10%. Let's be real. Well, if it does, I've got the money to buy it back, haven't I? Okay, so we can leave that alone now. I don't need to know what it's doing, because if I go over to my overall account, there we go. We're up 1.23, $2,700 in hand, with $3.03 earned in interest in the first 10 days of the month. Brilliant. That's good. My Roth IRA now is up, just touching the 14,000, which is the all-time high. And 54,400 this morning was the all-time high, and we're up by $200. The plan is to make $200 to $300 a day. There we go. We're smashing it now. The idea is to make $200 to $300 a day without any money whatsoever, just by trading, investing, and so on and so forth. All right. Okay. We got 81 days to get to 1 million views on the channel. It was about 4 days less than that, but we ended up losing a week because I had to buy the new computer, as you all remember. Let's go through the stocks. Wow, we got 13 watching now on Rumble. Thank you very much indeed for all of you. 77 followers now. Excellent stuff. We're trying to get to 100 within 2 weeks of being on Rumble. It's really, really good. Now then, we are running a poll on Twitter. If you want to take part in our poll, and if you are a member, I will tag you in my viral posts and hopefully grow your Twitter account. I do it for all my members. Let me look on Twitter now and see how the poll is going. The question I asked you was, I've just doubled my position on Robinhood. Are you in Robinhood? So here is Robinhood's poll. And we've had 12 votes. This is the question. I'm in Hood. 83% of you are in. 12 votes. And if you want to take part in this, to be part of the family, but also have me tag you in my viral posts. The ones that do really well, I'll tag you and comment back to you. So it grows your channel too. Take part. And you can also win $125 in cash on Friday for doing just that. All right. The information is on our giveaway page, martynlucas.com/giveaway. Steve Johnson. What's up, Martin? How are you doing? Very, very well indeed. Very, very well indeed. We're growing faster and faster every day. Long time no see, Steve. We've now got the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. 95% of our live viewers are members, more than any other channel on YouTube. Officially, go and check it out. Very, very proud of that. The 9 EMA is support till it till it fails. Yeah. That's where I just took the profits on it. It's very, very weak. I think it can go down to $8 during the call, which is why I've got the money on hand to buy it back. That's exactly why I did it. All right. Anyway, there's that poll on Twitter. And also, even more importantly, we are running this poll on Twitter today. Has the bull market started? Remember, nobody ever knows until they look back and go, the bull market started 6 months ago. No, people will say we're in a bull market now because they recognize the bull market started 6 months ago. That's how it works. No one says today we've gone from a bear to a bull market and that's the day it happened. No one does that. It's impossible. You look back and you say we are in a bull market, and we can look back and see when it started by looking backwards. I like to look forwards. Backwards is not of any interest to me whatsoever. What the stock did is irrelevant. So I predicted that my portfolio hit bottom in December. I stand by that 100%, and I've been right now for 5.5. Am I right long term? Well, we shall see. Did the bull market start, or is this a bear market rally? We've only had 8 votes. I thought we'd had a lot more than that. I'm going to give you the link to that poll. I'd like your thoughts. And if you say we're in a bear market rally, tell me what you need to see to turn the market bullish. There is the poll. All right, I'll leave that with you. Okay, Robinhood, just trimming off. That's why I took some profit. Small amount of profits is profits nevertheless. Let's have a look. Steve Johnson, here he is, our celebrity with no face. Love it, Martin. Scalp. Hello, Stephen Lewandowski is constantly on bloody holiday. He's on holiday in Hawaii today. So can we now assume that CPI data was priced into the markets, deep in the money? It's lovely to have you here. I put a video all about CPI today. No one has commented yet. I asked you a question a few moments ago. These 3 videos I put out today. First of all, I've now added them in 13 different languages. Can you see the CC? Which is Arabic, English, Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, Russian, and Turkish. And also I've added some text to the screen, and I wanted to know what you think of it. Do you like this? Do you like this? I've been doing it on the short videos, but do you like it on the long form videos? Does it give you more entertaining information? Does it make it more engaging for you? Tell me. I'm trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. The best visuals, the best sound, the best effects, the most honest, the best quality. This is our studio. We're in green today because it's Robinhood. We're not normally green, but we're green today. I want your thoughts on it. So tell me what you think. Nicholas Fullerton says, great job. Oh, we got thunder outside. Can you hear that? Bloody thunderclaps. Anyway, Nicholas Fullerton has just joined us. We're giving away $125 on Friday in cash. I like the visual effects, says Mike. You like it? All right. 9:07 now. Nicholas Fullerton, where in the world are you from? Put your city and country, and we'd love to welcome you in. If you want to be part of our giveaway, we're giving away $125 on Friday and 15 hours of one-on-one training. If you'd like it for free, without spending any money, without doing anything at all, just say, yes, please, and I'll tell you how you can win it. It's free. It's free to enter, free for all. If anybody who's not in the giveaway wants it, just go into the chat and let me know. We're getting ready. We've got 15 minutes to go. Now, also, Virgin Galactic, we took our profits and we were right to do so. Again, we were right to do so. Mullen, we've been buying it all the way down, waiting to see what it does. Virgin Orbit pricing out now. Rivian, it's going private, by the way. Rivian, I took profits this morning and now it's coming all the way back down again. I'm going to buy it back again around about the $10 a share. I'm from Jamaica. I love Jamaica. I played in Mahogany Bay. As the world piano man, I've toured to every country of the world. It took me years and years, I think like 17 years, 7 years, and I played in Jamaica, in Jamaica Bay, sorry, Mahogany Bay, I apologize, in Jamaica, lovely country. He said he would like to be in it. Okay, it's free to enter, free for all. Here is our best ever giveaway, $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training. Let me give you the link for it. It's martynlucas.com, a secure server, /giveaway. There it is in the chat. And if you, it'll bring you to this page here. There's our giveaway there, and it tells you all about it. It's on Friday. It's $125 in cash. We've upgraded it. All right, it's actually gone up since then. Oh, look, it says there, look, I've just missed out that bit there. I need to update that. You can win by turning these actions into ticks. You can get a ticket by liking a video or get a ticket by doing anything. They are. See, look, I just entered using YouTube. Easy as that. Okay? Easy as that. And I've got to delete my entry in a minute. I'm not allowed an entry. I didn't mean to tap the screen. I'll delete my entry. Look, it says I've entered now once. I'll delete my entry. And you only need one ticket to win. But the more things you do, the more chances you got to win. So if you really want to win $125 and you really want someone to teach you one-on-one for free in your time, at your convenience, do more things, and more things you do, easy, innit? I'll get rid of my entry later on. Sorry about that. I can't win, can I? Anyway. And the draw is on Friday. Okay. Moving along. My friend is moving to Lubbock, Texas this month. Can't take the cold winters up north, I suppose. Deep in the Lubbock, that's not far from me. Lovely to meet your friend then, deep in the money. The S&P is going up. Gold is trending down today. Mullen, we've been buying it all the way down today, and we've doubled our position. We're not doing it anymore. Virgin Galactic, I took profits from it. It's the earnings is fine, and the expectations is fine. People just do not understand what they own, and they sold it, which allowed me to buy it twice. I've traded it all in and all out twice today. Fantastic. 10 minutes to go, and we've got a sponsor of the bell this afternoon. You too can sponsor the bell. If you want to get yourself a lucky glass, oh yeah, It is lucky because when you get this glass, you always make money, right? If you want to get yourself a lucky glass or a lucky mug, it's on the shop, links in the chat or below the video. All right, Lucid, waste of time. Apple going up, trimming off. Amazon, great run now. I'm up 10.25%. Very nice indeed. McDonald's, I bought some this morning down here. Had a little gift today from McDonald's, so I bought some. Very happy with that. Coca-Cola trimming off. J&J had a nice little run today, up 0.9% on my Roth and still down on my main account. But overall, we're doing okay. Google is the one of the... Now, why is Google up so much? Because we are now coming into a bull market, or potentially, at least sentiment-wise, people are thinking that's happening. And remember, sentiment is half the story. If people believe the markets are going up, they will tend to buy them, and that's what makes them go up. Anyway, Google will do well because it's an extremely efficient, profitable company, and it makes money from ads. As businesses grow, they spend money on advertising. So every business that starts to do better benefits Google. So Google win when everybody else starts to do better. So that's a great business to be in. That's why I own shares in it. Anyway, Enphase Energy story of the day. I was down was it 5 to 8% this morning. I doubled and tripled my position. I'm now down just 0.5% because of that. Okay. Bitcoin, Tilray, Robinhood. There you go. It looks like it's starting to trim. I just sold 50 shares. Took some money off the top. Now, it doesn't matter how much. You might go, well, you only made $4. What was the point? Well, because I lowered my average, I brought my overall price down, I made a profit over all of my shares, not just my first or last shares. Remember the FIFO rule, first in, first out. Remember which stocks that you're selling. I made a profit overall, but I lowered my average. I didn't pay any tax on it. It's on my Roth because the sentiment will be in the earnings call. It'll drop, even if it pops up first. People will take profits and drop it down. So I took money off the table, so I've got money to buy it back when it goes lower. That way, if it does drop, I'm not going down. I'm only going down by the 135. The other 50 odd I've just taken off the table, right? I can use that money to balance out and buy it back lower. That way I win if it goes up and I win if it goes down. It makes no difference to me because long term it's going up anyway. Mr. Lucas, do you drive a Mini? Really like the original Mini. I don't have any car. I don't go anywhere. I walk or ride a bike or whatever. But no, I don't have a car. I sold my car because when the chip crisis came in and what do you call it? COVID, it drove the used car market insane levels. I sold a car that I bought 3 years ago, a brand new car, which I paid $37,000 for. I sold it for what I paid for it 3 years later. So I sold it and then I put the money and I banked it and started saving, and here I am on Robinhood. I'm not going to buy a car now until I retire and live in England, and it will be an electric Mini, probably. That's what Leah wants. Plus 500 have given me 16 grand back and told me I can no longer have an account with them simply because I deposited money using the business account. I reckon they got tired of me profiting. LOL. Oh my God. Isn't that terrible, MSK? We're all with you, mate. That's rubbish service. MSK, I use plus 5 for a Y. It's terrible. That is terrible service, MSK. There you go. Live here on my channel. If you're listening to me, plus 5. I've got the most engaged channel officially on YouTube, and one of my members today, all he wanted was his money out that he put in, and I think you've treated him very unfairly indeed, telling him he can't have an account again just because he asked for his money, which was his money in the first place, is a bit bad. So shame on you. Not good. That's not how to treat customers. Anyway, I've said it now. Was it the Ford Escape that you sold? No. That's Leah's car. I had a Ford Transit Connect because I was carrying equipment around doing my shows. MSK used plus 500 for a while. It's terrible. Okay. We've got 5 minutes to go. Here we go. Getting ready to ring the bell, and we're getting ready to go over to Robinhood earnings. So, straight after this, we're going to Robinhood earnings. I wanted your comments. No one has given me an answer apart from Mike. What do you think of the last 3 videos that I put out with text on the screen? Do you like it? Mike said he liked it. Can anyone else give me some feedback, please? I really would appreciate it. Anyway, we're going to Robinhood earnings in a few minutes' time. So where is it? Top of the show here. This is the upcoming live streams, all in order for you. So Robinhood earnings. Let me give you the entry ticket if you want to join me. Here it is, Robinhood. Thanks for the strongly worded telling off directly at Plus, Martin. Yeah. Go and share it with them. Tell them. Martyn Lucas said this. See if they care about that. Right, they will one day. They just probably don't give a damn right now. Anyway, there is the ticket if you want to go to the earnings. You can join in later on. Okay, we'll be there in just a few minutes. 3.5 minutes to go. We're green today because it's Robinhood earnings. That's why we're sharing green lights today. Okay, the S&P is up 0.43. Spider, SPDR Gold, down a bit. Mullins continue to fall down. I have a small interest there, not much. Virgin Galactic, perfect. We trimmed off the top. Right thing to do. Rivian going back down again. They're losing money. I've got inverse video on text. I'd go inverse video on text subtitles. I'd go inverse video. What's inverse video? I'd go inverse video on text subtitles, in my opinion. What does that mean? What does I go inverse? What does inverse mean? Back to front text? I mean, what does that mean? All of your videos are high quality. Trust me, I listen and watch and see the quality. Thank you very much indeed, Mike. Appreciate it. Our aim is to become the best, most honest, best quality, and most honest YouTube channels, this one and the music on YouTube. That is my aim. That is what I will strive to achieve. All right, we've got some messages here. We've got some messages over here on Rumble. Look at this. Let me make everybody famous on Rumble. Midnight Oil. King Cone INC. Love to see it. King Cone. JSJH. Can you give me $0.5 $1 account? Oh, my God. Here we go. We got someone coming in begging for money. I'm giving away $125 in cash. You haven't got to beg for money. I'm giving free money away just by entering our free competition. You don't have to beg for it and give someone a scammy WhatsApp number. There you go. There's my giveaway. It's free. But scammers and lazy people and bots won't bother. Real people will. So there you go. I just thought I'd highlight the clown called JSJH. Give me some money and here's my WhatsApp. Can you believe they even go to this trouble? Waste of time. People who beg for money will never have any money because all they want to do is steal it off you and beg. When I'm giving it you anyway. What a flipping clown. All right. Here we go. 1 minute to go and it's showtime. I just downloaded Rumble and signed up. Excellent indeed. Make sure that you get this later on. You don't want to miss out on this because tomorrow I'll help you. All right, where is it? I've broken my own thing now. I'm going too fast. I'm trying to get it done for Sherry and I can't do it in time. Here we go. Share link. Copy. That there on the screen, that's what I'm trying to give you. This link here for Robinhood. You will get up to $200 worth of free Robinhood stocks using my referral. I've actually had people win $100 on my show. All right, okay, here we go. We're going to ring the bell right now in 5, 4, 3, 2, as sponsored by Sensei. Sensei Crypto sponsors the bell this afternoon. Thank you, one of our sponsors. You too can sponsor this bell if you are a sponsor of our channel. or give me a really big super chat. I don't mind. Okay, brilliant. All his information is below in the chat if you want to know all about Sensei's crypto and how to grow your crypto. We are on the plan, the program on our channel, and we love it. I've turned a profit with it. Very, very sensible, very, very disciplined crypto structure. Ali Tizro does all the charts for you, all the analytics, all the TA, the whole lot. And it's very disciplined and structured. If you want to be part of that, the link's below. And I'm going to give you Sensei Crypto's Discord channel if you want to get all his information. And don't forget, if you are a member of mine, you get a lifetime discount to his services. Being a member of me gets my membership for free using my membership. All right? Mike, 100%, but don't know how to look you up on the Rumble app, but don't know how to look you up. You just type Martyn Lucas Investor, the same name as this YouTube channel. Very, very easy. It's Martyn Lucas Investor. That's it. And I'll give you the link. And it is the most clear and simple name you could possibly imagine. It's my real name spelt correctly, not like scammers and bots. There you go. See it? There is my Rumble link, rumble.com/C for channel / Martyn Lucas Investor. And I also have Martyn Lucas, which is my music channel as well. And you'll see me, I did the King's Coronation. There is Rumble, Martyn Lucas. See it? Easy, right? It's the obvious name to use. Okay, right then. The bell has now gone. We're going to go. We've got to get ready for the earnings. IonQ, we are doing the earnings tomorrow night for IonQ. There you go. And here comes the pump. Robinhood now. Now, I am up 21 bucks right now. Absolutely fantastic. We're not going to sell anymore. We've already trimmed off. All right. Remember I said it could pop. It could pop, but it could sell straight back off. I don't want to gamble with my money. Others can do that. I'm not a gambler. I'm an investor. I've taken some money off the table. I'm up, which is great. And here comes the selling. See that? Look, it went up and down again. I don't want to be in that game. I don't want to be doing it after hours of the volatility and all the rest of it. I want to make sure that I've taken profits. I've done that. I've reduced my position, and we're going to try to get it down again. All right. Okay, it's now time to go over to the earnings. Let me roll the credits. I'm going to give you one last time the link to the earnings. We will be there in about 10 minutes. You can already go there now. There's already people queuing up. I can see they're already in the chat. There is the link. This video will take you directly there, or you can go there now using the link. I will see you over there in just a couple of moments' time. All right, and I'll be there with you. MSK, good for you. What happened to MSK? I missed it. With a background, black text on white background. It's 80s computer speak. I see. I guess what you're saying, you didn't like the way. Okay, I could work on that. I just downloaded Rumble and signed up. Excellent stuff. I'd go inverse video. Oh, I see what you mean now. I know what you mean now. Okay. All right. Let's roll the credits very, very quickly. And we're going to go over to Rumble and YouTube for the after hours with Robinhood. So let me roll the credits right now. Here we go. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. We haven't got time. We can't do day trader of the day when we've got the earnings. There just isn't enough time. All right, we've got to focus on the earnings. So super chats, Jojo S, and a new member, Jojo S as well. Thank you ever so much for celebrating 4 months of membership and a super chat as well. Thank you. You were right. 5 working days. There you go. Spot on. All right, I'll see you back in a minute on the Robinhood earnings. We're making money. Everything looks good. And be right back in literally 5 minutes. You can go there right now, and I'll be with you on the Robinhood earnings. As always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Be right back. Hassan says, I'm always right. That's what I say, but no one ever listens to me. Okay, going up nicely now. Look at that. Robinhood is pumping. That's good. I don't mind. I've got some money off the table, but I'm still plenty much in. Oh, it's up $80 now. That is over. Hang on. That is over pumped. That's too much. That's too much. That's way too much. Has it brought out earnings? Oh! Robinhood. Bloody, that's ridiculous. Okay, sell. Trade. I don't think I can. Sell. How many have I got? Do a limit order. Limit order. 980. I don't think I can. 970. No. Oh, it's going back down. I think I've missed it. Oh, no. Hang on. 970. That's ridiculously over the top. Sell. Absolutely right. That's crazy. 960. I don't think I can now, Ali. And 100 extended hours. I'm doing it as fast as I can today. Continue. Number of shares 134. 134, so it allows me to do one. A 960. Review the order. I don't think I can. Order received. Order placed. Order placed. We're just running the credits while we're doing this. $960. Yes! Sold. What a great result. It's gone through. Sold it. Yes. Get in. Happy music. Brilliant. That's great. What a trade that was. Let's clear the credits. I just took a great. I am very happy with that. I don't care what Robinhood does. I don't care where it goes. When you get a 10% swing like that, you take the profits. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because now I've got $1,800 in my buying power. I can go shopping. I can buy what the hell I like now. There you go, $1,800. I've paid no tax on that whatsoever. That's great. That is fantastic. What did you buy it at? I bought it this morning. I've been doubling up all day. I bought it down here. I made a swing of about 10%. Yeah, I made a swing today of 10% in a day. I mean, that's ridiculous. I don't care what the earnings are. It doesn't warrant a 10% pump. If you make 10% on anything, you take it, right? Because there'll always be a sell-off tomorrow. There'll always be profit taking. I don't care if it goes to $20 right now. I don't care, because all I care about is making profits over and over again consistently, because consistency is what it's all about. So shall we see how that actually benefits my account? Let's have a look. That's brilliant. So excited. That's one of my best trades. Look, there we go. So there's my all-time high on my brokerage account, but here it comes. Roth IRA. Look at it. 14. There you go. There's my all-time high. I've now got 54.6. That's my all-time high today. Plus, I've got $1,800 in my buying power. So now I can buy it back tomorrow. I don't care how high it goes. I ain't bothered. I got to get out of here. I should have gone 5 minutes ago. Make money, take the money. Absolutely right. Especially when it's tax-free, right? So there we go. I've got to get out of here. That's how you do it. That's how you make money on Robinhood. And it's free, tax-free. Everyone's a winner. Brilliant. Now what we want is it to go back down to $9 or $8, and I'll buy it all back again. All right. Bye-bye, everybody. See you all in a bit. Have a wonderful 5 minutes. I'll be right back with the Robinhood earnings. Until then, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Bye-bye for now.